आज दुनिया भर में आजकल टीकाकारी का वीक मनाया जा रहा है, हफ्ता मनाया जा रहा है। उसी हवाले से यूनिसेफ की नुमाइंदा ज़फरीन चौधरी साहब हमारे साथ बात करने के लिए मौजूद है। ज़फरीन चौधरी साहब ये बताइए कि ये जो वीक मनाया जा रहा है इसका मकसद क्या है? व्हाट इज़ द पर्पस बिहाइंड इट?
So it is the main purpose is to impress the importance of routine immunization for all kinds of immunization. That how important it is for long life for all, a long life that is disease free, that is active, that is healthy, and that can reach the full life and the full potential. On the other hand, for all, equity. Vaccine is such a thing that there should not be any division. Everybody should be able to access it, and we will keep observing this World Immunization Week to bring the global community, the partners and stakeholders together to promote immunization until we reach the last child.
Indian government, Indian Health Ministry also launched the program, intensified immunization in the UNICEF program. So how you are connecting with both?
We are totally connected in India, in UNICEF India. We are totally connected because the purpose and the objective are the same. And then we work together with the government. Under the leadership of the government, we bring our global technical expertise and know-how, but we work together with the government. So all our programs on immunization, on health are aligned.
Madam, there is a problem of hesitancy of vaccination, particularly in slum areas. ये slum areas में होता है या जो भी poor इलाके होते हैं, migrant workers होते हैं, तो how do you are coping this hesitancy problem issue?
So we have community mobilization programs. We work with the media like yourself to spread the correct information, because the main reason for hesitancy is not knowing, lack of awareness, lack of information, and getting all the wrong information, rumors. So we try to address those, and we also have a community mobilization program who go at the ground level, work with the partners, and address community by community the hesitancy. So that is our effort in every state, in even tribal areas, in remote areas, in pockets. We try our best to address hesitancy.
As far as immunization is concerned, where India stands in the world map?
So India has a huge population, as you know, in compared to other countries, it's like a continent. In that terms, I would say that we really commend that how much coverage has been achieved. For COVID there has been impressive coverage, and for routine immunization also. And we now want to take the lessons from the COVID that we have learned, the cold chain that we have strengthened, to strengthen further routine immunization to reach the last left out children, the zero dose children, or those who are not vaccinated yet.
What is the message from the UNICEF to the people?
So our message is vaccines work. Please bring your children, and this is the gift of love and care and gift of life you can give to your children. So please do not hesitate. Vaccines really work. It is a tested and proven scientific method. Please vaccinate your children.
Thanks for talking to Salar.
Thank you. Thank you to Salar also.